They are telling the truth from the bottom of their hearts, and they're fighting a good fight. They stood with SPLMIO, Grang John. I think Grang John is from Twitch, I believe so. He's a great man that doesn't like to see our people suffering. So he cannot support the government that we all seen, including international authority. So that kind of a government that you support, you continue to support that. That's where the problem is. Garang John has supported SPLMIO, Dr. Riek Machar, and he's against the mistreatment of the Nuer and the civilized. That's what we call civilization. Lina Parak, so also is another one. It's a lady that lives in Australia. She's very blessed, and she's not kind of a person who always go with the flow. Okay. Jual Namgek from Lake State, Jual Namgek from Dinka Lake State, is one of the strong figure. Is if you look at him and the way he address issues, he's not that kind of a guy that can support nonsense, and he knows that the president is from Dinka or doesn't know that. So the guy denied that and standing forward for the rights of other people. He's a great man. That doesn't interfere with hate. He wants our country to be together, and he doesn't support nonsense, okay? Atong Hussein, there's another lady called Atong Hussein. I love their messages. I do not go to the live show all the time, but so when I had enough time, I can see what is going on there, streaming out. So we are not enemies to each other. And remember, all of us are blessed. Okay? All of us are blessed. So we are all blessed by the Lord. All of us. Whether good and bad, it doesn't matter. And the Lord say, love one another. Our Father God Almighty say, love one another. You do not understand that. That is a final say. That the Lord say, love one another. You break the law. That's not how it goes. Intentionally, you cannot be an enemy of your own people. Okay. So I will continue to encourage these Dinkas and those I don't know behind the door that are supporting SPLMIO, and those who are trying to do what is right. That's good. Talking is not everything, but when something is not right, it has to be fixed. Okay? It cannot be sugar-coated. Yeah, it has to be fixed, you know. So, yeah, these Dinkas are great people. I admire. And there's a guy from Khartoum too. You know, so these are great people that can, they see what is happening. They do not support anything that is destroying the life of other people. Like when Nuer people were bombed from the sky, the only people that can bomb South Sudan, okay, all those people are wonderful, they're good people. The only people that can bomb South Sudan supposed to be a different country. Within South Sudan, it doesn't matter, we are all South Sudanese, and we agree to disagree. And there is nothing wrong with that. So, enough is enough. What we need is what to do what's right. Enough is enough. Most of the time when you don't do what's right, you're falling into it. In the next chapter, it wouldn't go away. These things here that are happening in our country, it's heartbreaking. So they don't know, they don't see, maybe, I don't know, they're blind. So once it kick in, those commanders there, those guiding leaders in their country, yeah, the country is suffering, and then this kind of the SPLMIO is ever strong, because like that is the spirit that the government cannot bring down, no matter what. The government cannot bring that spirit down. The spirit of SPLMIO, unless they give up. But so far as I know, SPLMIO is very strong, it's going well, and in support, and don't attack anybody. Do not attack your neighbors. Okay? You cannot step forward, okay, and you want to attack other people for no reason, and you think that you will be successful. It doesn't matter. The Lord will fight you, because you cannot attack anybody, okay? You cannot. If the Nuer are in a Kobo, whether they are SPLMIO or whatever you want, whichever way you want to interfere with it, you know. So the lone Nuer, they do not attack their neighbors, okay? They do not do anything. Well, SPLMIO, they talk about going to Bor and then from there to Juba. Well, guys, you have to understand with your government that you have the mindset of when you see things happening like that, why don't you give it a time? Is it real that the SPLMIO are coming to Madingbor and then from there to Juba? You cannot just rush into conclusion based on your blind spot. You don't understand what is happening, then you rush into it instead of stopping your armies within Bor. Supposed to keep your armies within Bor area. In that area, not to cross the red line. So do not go to the other side if they do not inform you to come. You have to stand on your ground. That means you need to initiate if the SPLMIO meant to come to Bor or they're coming to Juba. So once it doesn't happen, then there's no need of bringing these armed forces from SSPDF and you allow them to come to Long Nuer, and that's a problem. Okay? So that's a problem that need to be void and understand that. If you are a government supporter and you are SSPDF, please tell your family member not to go to Akobo. Okay? Tell your family members to stay wherever you are. Do not go to Akobo for no reason. Just stay wherever you are, safely and well understood. So do not cross the line, guys. So the Lone Nuer will not allow all these things to happen. And now they are in Akobo. Yeah, okay. The SPLMIO is in Akobo. And they do not attack their neighbors. That's a good thing. They are staying in Akobo. They do not attack anybody. So, and then the armed forces from the government are welcome. If you are as a PDF from the government and you are trying to kick out Lone Nuer, trying to erase their tradition and trying to destroy them for no reason, they are part of their brothers and sisters, and you go there intentionally to kick them out of their houses. Well, as PDF of Juba, let me tell you, please, even if they pay you how much, your safety is very important. Do not come to the Nuer land for no reason. So they are good people. Do not come to their land. You're coming there and cause problem. Do not do that. Okay, leave them alone. Let them be there. So the problem in South Sudan will fix itself because people don't understand. Okay, yeah. So yeah, those are the message that I was able to say. And if you want to reach out, you can call me. If my telephone is weird. The setting is very complex, and you don't have my contact number, it cannot come through. It will be blocked, and I have to be the one authorized to write it down, know exactly who calls me. So I'm telling Salva here, and I have respect for you, but you had enough. You had done enough. Keep sending your army to the Nuer land will cost you a lot. It will drain you out, and that is not a good thing. So leave them alone, please. Okay. If Lone Nuer want to be in Akobo, leave them alone. Do not distract them. There's no need of fighting them. Even if they are SPLMIO, just stay. Leave them alone. There's no need of fighting. No fighting. Do not go there. Leave them alone. If they're SPLMIO supporters, nothing wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with it. So that is a mistake government does right now. We're gonna fall into it. You keep sending your army to Akobo, you keep sending your army, you are gonna fall into it. And these are the Nuer descendants who are in Akobo, Nirol and Urol, they cannot lose anything in between. They cannot lose anything because they are the one being attacked. Okay. This useless mindset of seeing other people as your enemies, that useless mindset need to go. Who is your enemy? Okay, and that's a problem. You have to make sure stay positive, not 100%, but you have to back off from negative energy. You know, so we cannot support nonsense, tribalism, all these things here. Release Dr. Riek Machar Teng. That's it. Release him, work together with him. He is not your enemy. So we South Sudanese, we are not enemies. So Dr. Riek Machar Teng is not your enemy. If you don't understand, then you need to sit down in your house and think about it. Okay. You cannot jump into conclusion, something you don't understand. You are not quite smart enough. You rush into it. Based it on what you see. That's not right. You have to analyze the situation sometime, investigate it until you make a conclusion. The house arrest of Dr. Riek Machar Teng, that's where the peace is there. The keys of peace are given to Dr. Riek Machar Teng. The keys of peace are given to SPLMIO. The keys has been taken away from the government. The government does not have the key for South Sudan. Okay? The key to the peace are with Dr. Riek Machar Teng right there, and you will be seeing things you never seen before, and he has to be released so that we will be able to live peacefully. And I'm tired of fighting all the time. You attacking the Nuer, you calling yourself as PDF, they will kick you out, right? Because you are the one who start attacking them. So stay wherever you are. Do not cause trouble. We do not need any hostilities, any kind. So you in South Sudan, stay in your own area. Wait. Just do not attack somebody for no reason. You cannot walk long distance. You cannot walk from Bor to Panyagur and then from Panyagur to Akobo. You intentionally break the law right here. There's a red line. You will be defeated, and then you start crying. Oh, this happened. This happened to my uncle. This happened to my husband. All these things here. Stop it. Stay wherever you are. We don't need any problems. Do not go to Akobo. Do not go to anywhere area. Stay wherever you are. So thank you guys for coming. That is all I have to say. So I'm very thankful to those Dinkas. They are seeing things that are happening in South Sudan. They are not seeing things in the tribal guidelines. They are Dinkas, but they are not supporting that government because they are well informed, well grounded. They are Dinkas in understanding. They are Dinkas in being trustworthy. So they're holding the arm of the light. They are good people because they are condemning their own people who are supporting nonsense. They are wonderful Dinkas. Garang John is a great man, so we cannot forget. Whenever he wrote the message, it has a lot of accountabilities that are very positive. He's a great Dinka. He doesn't hate anybody, but he's a truthful man. A truthful man that stood on his ground, doesn't support nonsense. You have to support what is right for you and for the people. So number two, Atong Hussein, and then Lina Parek, okay, and Dual Namguk. So this guy called Dual Namguk from Lake State. Plus other Dinkas I don't know, people who see things right, Dinkas who are blessed. They can see what happened in our country in the eyes of love, and they will see that that's not right. That's not right. Even if I'm a Dinka, I don't have to support that. Yes, that is a kind of people we need within Nuer and other communities. Yeah. So all this nonsense has to stop, and peace will come with Dr. Riek Machar. Once Dr. Riek Machar release, we will cooperate, and things will go smoothly because Dr. Riek Machar has a power also. He has a power, so you cannot just take advantage of him. Okay, the Lord protect him wherever he is, and the same blessing that we have to share together. Dr. Riek Machar cannot be broken. You cannot break his spirit, because you are fairly a human being, blessed. Stay off other people's way. Stay at least 6 feet away. Okay, that's what we call respect. You cannot just support nonsense, seeing people suffering. Nothing good is happening, and you're supporting that. So, whom did you think you are? What are you doing? Okay. So, thank you guys for coming, and very much appreciated. And stay safe, stay out of problem. Let those. So, do not. If you are from wherever you are, do not cross. Do not start going somewhere and attack other people for no reason. Attacking people, other people. So it's not right. You cannot be successful, all right? You cannot be successful. If you are attacking your neighbors, you cannot be successful. Even if it meant SSPDF, they are crossing the line here. They're coming from all the way back from the Bo town over there, crossing all these through Powell. And then you are attacking the Lone Nuer because of the SPLMIO. There's no need. Because that's not a good thing. So they have every right to support SPLMIO. Whoever want to support the government, you are every right to support the government. There's no need of accusing civilians and killing them and cluster bomb them. We cannot do that. So for that country to move forward, leaders have to negotiate whatever is happening, dialogue. That is a great man of stability, Dr. Riek Machar. You cannot take advantage of him for no reason. No matter whatever you want send his way. He's a great man. He's a leader that we cannot miss in the society we live in today. And talking about this kind of tribal majority, Nuer is the majority, Dinka is the majority, useless. We are all one South Sudanese. Majority for what? It doesn't matter. We are not competing. Okay, we are not competing. There's no need of comparing each other based on tribalism. That has to be destroyed. Okay. So, those are the message I need to say. And stay safe. And tell your government, Bola Nuer. Let Bola Nuer know exactly what had happened. He has to walk. So welcome to Twitch. You're welcome to Twitch East. And I'm so sorry for you, sir. You are on the wrong side of the story. I'm so sorry for you. And so you need to let your family members know. So if they want to go to a Kobo, let them know, hey, my friend, do not do that, please. Talk to each other. Stay away, because I don't want you to make up things tomorrow and start crying. This happened, that happened. So the Lone Nuer from Akobo, they have every right to come to their Akobo. There's no need of bringing Murle over there, and you are causing trouble. So they don't want that. So they kick you out. And then once they kick you out, they remain standing on their ground. They do not follow you. So they do not attack anybody. So stay wherever you are. If you are from Dukpadiet, respect yourself, stay wherever you are. If you are from Nyarweng, please stay wherever you are. Be honest to yourself. If you are from Twitch, stay wherever you are. Okay? So do not cross the border. Okay? So these are the boundaries, these healthy boundaries have been set. So if the Lone Nuer are in Akobo, that's it. We don't need any problem. Stay wherever you are. Do not go to Lone Nuer no more. There's no need. Because from the very beginning, we are not enemies. South Sudan cannot fight itself, even if we agree to disagree. There's no need of fighting each other in South Sudan. So the other countries will overlook at us. Okay, we have this kind of people. Where do they come from? You will not be trusted. Okay, nobody can trust you, and that is a reality. And so we don't need any problem. So the Nuer live wherever they are. You are a Dinka, doesn't matter. You can live wherever you are peacefully. Try to. If you are supporting SPLMIO, make sure that you are supporting that spirit, and you know that you are supporting the unity of people. Okay, the unity of South Sudanese is the spirit of SPLMIO. No more or no less than that, because they are fighting a good fight, and so the Nuer has enough. You cannot bomb people. You can, yes, it's a government, because the Nuer are supporting the same government. So it's kind of supported by Equatorians and other tribes. We call it a government. So I may not call it a government, because if the Nuer are not part of that, then I know that the government doesn't exist. Okay. So, so yeah, we have to do what's right. Make sure that our country is coming together. And you cannot continue to do the same thing all the time. You cannot win. You cannot win. We cannot compare each other to other societies. Okay. You cannot attack people in Nasser, in Wulang, in Logushuk, in Pangak. You are disturbing the Nuer. You are disturbing them for no reason. And the reason behind it is because they are SPLMIO. We need to get rid of it. So you are a troublemaker, right? You are a troublemaker. You are not creating any safety here. There are safety concerns. You will be stopped. So where are you going? So the Nuer are living peacefully. The Nuer are there. They are not attacking anybody in Jonglei. They do not. I'm glad. The Twitch are living peacefully. Nyarweng and Wol and Bor are living peacefully, even if the Nuer are the ones suffering. That is good for Nuer, and I'm very proud of Nuer to keep it that way, because they believe in safety, because you guys need to do what's right. Tell your SSPDF that the Nuer, the Burchar or Low Nuer in Akobo do not need your SSPDF. They don't need it over there. Then step back. Stay there. Okay? Bring your armies and stay in Madingbor and wait for somebody to come. Okay? Bring your armies and wait in Madingbor and wait for the enemy to come so you can fight that enemy. But if they talk about things and you take it personally, you're taking things personally, that's not right. Right? Enough is enough. We are each other. You cannot see your neighbors as your enemies. We are not enemies. We are all South Sudanese. And the Lord Almighty say, love one another. That's what I heard from him. The Lord Almighty say, love one another. That's a message I heard from him. It's a very powerful message. So look at yourself carefully. Myself, I'm not supporting an SPLMIO because I'm a Nuer. I have some justification. And I do not support SPLMIO to go to war either. If there's a reason for that to happen, I have to pray and do what is right, because if the SPLMIO are the one attacking people, then I will condemn. It's not right. If the SPLMIO are attacking the government for no reason, then that's a wrongdoing. So you need to separate all these things here. Sometimes you need to support what's right. I have my own documentations and I have realities. I have truth. I have evidence based on why I support SPLMIO. I have evidence, very positive evidence that are set together and separated. Okay, that I can talk about this and that and this and the reality. The truth will be exposed. So there's no need for I to support that government. Could not happen. Cannot. like I'm blind, like I'm making a mistake. I'm a tribalist, so I'm going to support that government that bombed the Nuer for no reason. So if you look at the characteristics, you're using other people, okay? You're doing wrong thing and you're supporting government for no reason. It doesn't make sense. You have to be well-grounded and well-balanced and support what is right. The SPLMIO are doing what is right. We don't need fighting.